Hey everyone, sorry I haven't posted a video in a long time. My camera on my phone died and I hadn't replaced it. And I still haven't replaced it. I'm here at my friend Ruth's house using her wonderful camera, so thank you, Ruth. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are opening up Pokemon cards. That's right, you heard me, Pokemon cards. I have been watching Pokemon card openings on YouTube for the last couple months, and I find it fascinating, but it's mostly people either in the States or Australia opening up English cards. So I thought it'd be interesting if I could open up some Japanese cards here in Japan. So that's what you're gonna see today. And if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and maybe I'll post more Pokemon card openings. Let's do it! Here's two beautiful Lucario artworks that we got for free from the Pokemon Center. And they're just cardboard, but they're featuring Lucario in a Halloween costume. This one's a different one. Dorimo League!
But remember to do the league like separate, even though it's not separate on there.
Dorimo League!
Yeah!
Today I'm going to be opening the Pokemon card game Sun and Moon Dream League Booster Pack from Japan. This pack was released at the start of August of this year, but it's only in Japan right now. Alright, let's open it up. Absolutely gorgeous artwork there. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, there they go. Uh-oh. So I have 30 packs to open up. Let's do it. Well, let's see how this goes. I'm... Alright, here it goes. I'm a little bit nervous, but the first pack of cards, we're gonna go... Oh, I saw Shine already. Oh, goodness. We're looking for that Rosa card. It is the most valuable one right now. Oh, little Ralts. Alright, let's check it out. Next one. Phew. Oh, I really want those trainer cards and the rainbow rares and all of them. Oh, a wishy-washy. Alright, number 3. Let's go one from the back. Alright, Torkoal, Gloom, and a basic trainer. Alright, well, this is starting off really strong. Real strong. Clefairy. Coughing. Very good, Gilbert. Oh, perfect. That's a good way to start. Erica and Vileplume card. That is very cool. Regular rare. So beautiful, so shiny. Put that aside. Alright, so one from the back, and we've got our froggy friend, Coughing, Sneasel, and a Gallade. Very cool. Alright. One. Ooh, regular N. Good. Oh, Magnemite. Cute. Beautiful. Full art trainer and Pokemon. This is a gorgeous card. That's so beautiful. And it's Torkoal. Wow, look at that. So gorgeous. So shiny. Let's do one from the back. Alright. Kirilla. An Oddish. Oh, and a basic trainer. Back. Oh, Pokédoll. Fish. Mimikyu, scary. Oh, and everyone's favorite, a Weezing. Okay. Fishing rod. Oh, I dropped it. That's how important that one was. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Another froggy friend. Oh, that's shiny. What are we looking for? Natu! Oh, shiny trainer card. Very nice. Alright. Where is that other last card we're looking for? Okay. Mimikyu. Oddish. Exact same card. That's alright. Just gotta keep going. Alright, regular trainer. And a cool looking Raichu. I don't understand how the YouTubers talk constantly during their making and pulling of cards. They just talk and talk and talk. And another Drillbur. Or is that the evolved form? I can't remember. Okay. Oh, Zatu. Get some evolution action in there. Very beautiful. Oh, there's a new one for me. Very good. Oh. And an Empoleon. Nice looking card. Non-holographic. Oh, look at that. You get a Slugma and a Marcargo. 2 for 1. Get the evolution. Ooh, a nice looking Pikachu. I love the artwork on that. And just a regular trainer card. Let's get a Clefairy. Natu. Whoa, there we go. There's another beauty. Solgaleo and Luna. And the trainer. Can't remember her name right now. That is a gorgeous card. Another rare. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Something good. Come on. Ooh, tag team. That's fantastic. That's gorgeous. Wow, another GX card. 2 in a row. That's pretty good. Can we make it 3? Let's do 3. Let's do 3 in a row. Right now. Let's make it the last card. Thank you. Empoleon. That's alright. We got a bunch more to go through. Got our N. Pika. Oh, perfect! A Pokemon and trainer card. These are the ones that I'm trying to collect. These are the beautiful ones. Look at the arc on there, the shine. Oh, we got a Weezing. But this is what we're after. Especially the trainer and Pokemon. Alright, let's do it. Another Zatu. Oddish. Coffee. Empoleon and... Oh... that guy. Oh, and we get the little one. Very good. Alright. We had an... Oh, Weezing. Oh, Weezing. Raichu. Mimikyu. Little guy. Onyx. Ooh, and a shiny... Reverse Hollow Steelix. Okay. Torkoal, Kila, Onyx, Magnemite, and a Magneton. On. Back. Slugma, Dewpider, and another non-hollow Empoleon. Pokédoll, bringing me back to the old days of Pokemon. And non-holo. Good. Oh, there's something shiny back there. Let's see. Wow, very cool. What is that one? That is Lily's Best Effort. Lily, it's a great effort. Ooh! Right now, it's about a $12 card. Fantastic. That's exactly the type of card I want to be pulling. That will go right over here. Beautiful. Alright. A couple more packs. 3 more to go. That, the gloom thing, and a common Zaptu. Alright. And Silvally? I don't know. Pikachu, Natu, and another one of these ones. I'll put the name on the screen. I can't remember the names of these guys. Solgaleo and Lunala. And what's her name? Lily. Lily. Very cool. Alright, 1 pack left for this one. Let's see what happens. Can we get some last pack magic? Let's do it. My first ever opening. Let's see. Last pack magic, come on. Oh, we can! Absolutely fantastic. Oh, love it. These are so beautiful. Torkoal and the trainer. I don't know the trainer's name, but that is what we are looking for. All right, to give a summary of what we pulled today. The beautiful rares, the holos, the doubles we got, Stoutlands, Drillbur? I want to say Drillbur. Oh, we got 2 of them. Steelix, Wishy Washy. And then I got 2 of these trainer cards. And then the good ones. The Tag Team GX cards. 1 of those. Beautiful. Ended up getting 2 of these. And then the gems of the sets. The trainers with their Pokemon. We got 3 of those, and I'll be sleeving those right after this. And the final, Lily's Best Effort. Thank you, Lily. I appreciate your effort. That was honestly so much fun. I really, really enjoyed that. Some of my favorite cards absolutely have to be the trainers with their Pokemon, and then the 1 special card. So I think I might do this again. If you did enjoy this, as I said before, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more Pokemon card openings, because that's something I can do here in Japan. So these Japanese cards are great. I'm going to see how much they are and maybe buy some more packs with the ones that I've made. That's words, right? Those are words. I can say those things. I need a thumbnail. I hadn't even thought about that. Yeah. Do I just go?
Just do it. Super cute. So just screenshot it.
La 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 la.